Hi everybody, this is Roxy. Countdown to craft fairs. So these are clear bags, the little cute doggy treat bags. And this is Creative Fabrica. I haven't seen this. It's treat o'clock somewhere. I think that's adorable. And then I just added a winter kind of sweater pattern to this bone. This is the bone shape they have. And then this was from Creative Fabrica. So cute. These are just these little milk bones that Sheila loves. She gets 3 every time she comes in. And I got over a cup in the bag. So I thought I'd sell this for maybe $2.50. Because, I got the bags free from Clear Bag. Of course, you'd have to count that in. They're not expensive either, which is nice. And then, that's pretty much stock I have. So I think I'm going to keep the price low. Nice little fun stocking stuffer. Oh my goodness. And here's my favorite idea I had this year. I picked these bags out thinking they were smaller and I could put maybe a gift card for a movie, or suggest that, and put little bag of popcorn because I thought they were about like that. Well, they're huge. So at the same time, we cannot have bird feeders in the winter because if we do, all the bird seed falls to the ground and our patio door for our lower level is down where it falls, and then the little mice figure out a way to get in our house. So we quit having bird seed. We haven't had mice since, but I wanted to have something. And I had seen a few months ago I came across a guy that makes a mold of bird seed and all this stuff. So I found another girl that does in a bun pan, and then you can put them in anything. I put mine in muffin tins, like a muffin pan. So here's what's in it. So mine is going to be make your own banner for the birds. So feed the birds banner. The kit includes 2 bird muffins. I think I should have had bird seed, but we'll say bird muffins. And then I dehydrated oranges and apple slices. I got cranberries, popcorn, twine, a little plastic sewing needle, and then I just have little instructions. And the cardinal says, yum! So, got cranberries. Maybe I'll move this. We got little cranberries. And they're fine to have out. Then some apples. And then here's the bird. And then you put a thread in it, or twine, and then it can hang. We also made a big bun pan one, and the birds already ate all that. And here's the needle. I found this at Hobby Lobby. It was 2 for $1. So then they can, thread the stuff. This was Dollar Tree popcorn, no butter, and some orange. Oh, these smell so good. I kind of want to make mulling spices too. And then the last little bird thing. Because I want to, I want to make mulling spices. So I thought that would be kind of fun. Because these smell, both of those would be so great. With some spice, and you can just put a kettle on your stove. Or drink it as tea. So I think this will be super fun family project. And there's that. And these bags are not that expensive, which is nice. There. So isn't that cute? I hope you can see it all. And that's just a bird I had in my silhouette. So there is the start of my stuff. Oh wait, I'm not done. Oh, wait, there's more. I decorate bags every year. Usually I do I try to do something different every year. And everybody that comes, like I have a lot of repeat customers like, oh, can I, do you have bags this year if I forget? But I usually do. I usually give them to everybody. So here's the little ones I did gnomes. And then I just hand cut the trim. And that's my stamp. It's hard to stamp this thing. But I got that from that. Oh, what's it called? If anybody's interested, let me know down below. I can't remember what the company's called. Here's another one. And then I've got big ones. These are from clear bags too. They've been very generous. So I think these are going to be fun. Hopefully I sell enough cookbooks that I need a lot of these, or a lot of stuff. But anyways, that's my clear bags show and tell. And I'll have more coming up. So thank you for watching. Wait till you see those trees. Oh, they're so cute. Scrubby's going to put the bases on tonight. So I'll show those. I can't wait. Bye.